In this video, given that x cubed minus 1 is equivalent to ax into bracket x plus 1 times another bracket x minus 1 plus bx plus c, we have to find the values of a, b, and c. Now this is a question on identities. Now for identities, both sides of the equivalent symbol or the equal sign must be the same when you substitute the unknown variable by a value. So what it means is that when you put x is equal to 2 here, you get the same answer as you put x is equal to 2 in the right hand side. That is all about the identities. Now there are two ways of solving it. So in this example, I'm going to use expanding the expressions on both sides and comparing coefficients. So let's expand the right hand side. So this implies that x cubed minus 1 is equal to ax. Now x plus 1 times x minus 1. This is difference of two squares. So you square the first term minus the second term. So x squared minus 1 plus bx plus c. This implies that x cubed minus 1 is equal to a times x cubed minus ax plus bx plus c. So we need to group the like terms. So we have a term in x cubed, we have a terms in x, so let's put them together. So we have x cubed minus 1 is equal to ax cubed, and then this can be written as, let's interchange this, b minus a in bracket x plus c. Well, we have been able to expand the right hand side. On the left hand side, we have a term in x cubed, but there's no term in x. And then we have a term, constant term, comparing coefficients. So let's start with x cubed. So on the left hand side, the coefficient of x cubed is 1. And then, so therefore, a is equal to 1. So let's come to a term in x. Since there is no term in x on the left hand side, it means that the coefficient of x is equal to 0. So we can say b minus a is equal to 0. But there's no term on the left hand side involving x. We already know a, so this implies that b minus 1 is equal to 0. So b will be equal to 1. Then let's come to the constant terms. Here, minus 1 and then c. So we can say that c is minus 1. Let's take the second question. Given that a times x plus 3 plus b times x plus 1 x plus 3 plus c times x plus 1 x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 6. We have to find the values of a, b, and c. So this one, yes, we can use expanding and then comparing coefficients. But there is another rule using cover rule. So what does it mean? See, x plus 2, x plus 3. So when we put x is equal to minus 2, so all the expression involving x plus 2 will go to 0. So put x is equal to minus 2. It means that here, this whole term will go to 0, this whole term will go to 0, leaving this one. So you can easily use this to find the value of b. So which means that a times minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 3 and b minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Then we go to the next one, c minus 2 plus 1, then minus 2 plus 2. Then we do the same thing 4 times minus 2 plus 6. So which implies that minus 2, this one will go to 0, this one too will go to 0. So it will be left with b into bracket minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, then minus 2 plus 1 is 1 is equal to 4 times minus 2 minus 8 plus 6. So we have minus b is equal to minus 2. So therefore our b is equal to 2. Now we have x plus 1 here, x plus 1 here. So when we put x is equal to minus 1, this whole term will go to 0. This whole term will go to 0, so we can find this. So put x is equal to minus 1. In that case, we are going to have, this implies that a times minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 plus b to bracket minus 1 plus 1, then minus 1 plus 3 plus c minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 go to 4 times minus 1 plus 6. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so this whole term will go to 0. Minus 1 plus 1, this one will also give us 0, so this whole term will be 0. So we have a times minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and this one 2 is 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus 6. So we have a, which is equal to minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So divide both sides by 2. So a is equal to 1. So let's this one, the last one, 3. We have x plus 3 here, x plus 3 here. So when you put x is equal to minus 3, these two terms will go, and then to be left with c. So we can easily find c. So put x is equal to minus 3. In that case, we are going to have a times minus 3 plus 2, then minus 3 plus 3 plus b, which is equal to times minus 3 plus 1, then minus 3 plus 3. Then we go to the last one, c, which is minus 3 plus 1, then minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 4 times minus 3 plus 6. So you shouldn't forget the right hand side, okay? So this will give us 0, so this whole term will go to 0. Then b2, the term containing b, will also go to 0 because minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 0 will make this whole term disappear. So we have c minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, and then minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 is equal to 4 times minus 3 is minus 2 plus 6. So we have minus times minus, so 2c is equal to minus 6, divide both sides by 2. So 2 will go into minus 6 minus 3. So therefore c is minus 3. Hence our a is equal to 1, equal to 2, and then c is equal to minus 3. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you still have not subscribed, like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video,